Satnam. My name is Nori, and in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the Adi Shakti mantra. This is the devotional mantra in our Kundalini yoga practice. Are you ready? Let's begin. So this meditation involves mantra and moving mudras, which creates a celestial communication. Mantra means to tune the mind. We use sound vibrations using our voice to tune our bodily instrument, bringing us to the same frequency as the mantra itself. And that creates a specific effect in our lives. That, combined with mudra and movement, we are communicating with the universe. So the Adi Shakti mantra is known as a devotional mantra or a bhakti mantra. We are invoking the creative force, the creative potential of the divine feminine. And through this motherly energy, it will help us through any insecurity, any blocks that are in our way, for us to be free, for us to express our inner truth, our Satnam. So it's with this meditation that we get a deeper understanding of our role here in the universe, seeing the connection between the manifest, the physical reality, and the unmanifest of the cosmos, the astral realm, or this spiritual dimension. So the mantra is Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo, Namo. This means I bow to the primal power, to the first force of all creation. SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, Namo, Namo means I bow to the all-encompassing power and energy, bowing down to the divine force that is everywhere. PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, Namo, Namo. Bowing down to the creative force, the primal force of all creation of God. Kundalini, Mata Shakti, Mata Shakti, Namo, Namo. I bow to the creative power of the Kundalini, the divine mother power. And then we add a moving mudra, which creates a celestial communication. Essentially, we are expressing this mantra through movement. And you can create any movement that you like, or you can go back and see what previous teachers have done before. So in this meditation, we'll begin by pressing our palms together at the center of our chest in prayer. And as we bring our palms out towards the sky, pointing at a 45-degree angle towards the ceiling, we will chant Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti. And as we sing Namo, Namo, bringing our palms back into center, bowing down slightly. As we sing SARAB Shakti, we'll open up our palms towards the center of the room and create circles as we sing SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, Namo, Namo, palms back together at heart center. And then PRITHAM BHAGVATI, this time palms face down, still creating circles with the hands. PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, Namo, Namo. And finally, Kundalini Mata Shakti, we are creating a snake with our palms, rising upwards towards the third eye and beyond. We'll put this all together now in our practice, so please find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Legs can be crossed or legs stretched out in front. You can sit on a block, a bolster, maybe a meditation cushion, or a folded up blanket, just to bring some extra cushion underneath you. And from here, bringing your palms together at your heart center, close the eyes and focus your gaze in between your eyebrows and slightly above. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling. Feeling the expansion of your belly as you inhale. Pause at the top of your lungs and exhale. And continue to breathe now, lengthening out your inhales and your exhales. We'll tune into our practice with the Adi mantra. Ong, Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call upon my highest consciousness. I am awake and alert. We chant this 3 times together. Take a deep inhale breath. Pause. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. And we'll inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Keeping your hands in place, take a deep inhale breath. Hold the breath and set your intentions for today's practice. Call upon the divine force, the divine mother. Exhale. Relax your hands down to your knees and sit here for a moment, letting the vibrations circulate. Now bring your palms together at the center of your chest. And we'll begin our meditation. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And we'll inhale to begin. Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, Namo Namo. PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, NAMO NAMO. Kundalini Mata Shakti, Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, Namo Namo. PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mata Shakti, Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, Namo Namo. PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mata Shakti, Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, Namo Namo. PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mata Shakti, Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, SARAB Shakti, Namo Namo. PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, PRITHAM BHAGVATI, Namo Namo. Kundalini Mata Shakti, Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. Pressing your palms together at the center of your chest. Coming back to your breath. Filling your heart with the feeling of gratitude. Giving thanks to the divine force, the creative force. The God that is present everywhere. We close our practice with a long Sat, short Nam. Take a deep inhale breath. Sat Nam. Bring your thumbs to the third eye, and then bring your palms and your forehead all the way down to the ground, sealing off the energy of today's practice. Sat Nam means truth is my name, acknowledging the truth and the wisdom that resides in each and every one of us. So thank you again for tuning in. My name is Noribel Ordono, but you can call me Nori for short. And I do have a video that I recommend that you check out after this one, all about celestial communication, and I'll talk you through about its power and how to create your own. I hope to see you there, and until next time, I will see you all again very soon.